In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sketch portraits in 3 simple steps. It's kind of a walkthrough from the sketch to the final product, and without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1, before you do anything, grab your reference and block out the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. Let's grab our reference and block out the dark values, the midtones, and the highlights. Let's not forget, this is the most important part. Dark values, midtones, highlights. Step 2 is the sketch. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect, but you want to make sure that the opacity of those lines are not too dark. So you want to grab a rubber, an eraser, whatever, and then just go in just to drop the opacity a little bit, because that's going to be easier to work with later on. First thing we are going to do, and this is probably the most important, is we are going to put in those dark values. Okay, so after you put in those dark values, now you identify those highlights such as, somewhere around the nose. You can see highlights on the forehead. It depends on the lighting with the reference, I guess, but time to move on to the last step, I guess. Just add detail. As simple as that. Add the details such as eyes, nose, lips, and yeah. With the light values, you're just gonna have to leave, especially if you're using white paper like I am, you're just gonna leave those parts to be because the paper is already white, so that simplifies things for you.